What's up, YouTube? It's your boy KJ. Welcome back to the channel. I'm back with another banger video. Excuse me, I've been gone too long. I apologize for that. I know I'm supposed to hit y'all on Wednesday and Sunday. So this past Sunday, you didn't get a video. And, you know, just had some stuff going on, man. But I'm back.
You ain't no player.
And we reacting to some tight whips today. Everybody knows CJ do the giveaways. CJ on 32 do the giveaways, man. He got a TRACKHAWK. He got a couple of them TRXs on 30s. He got the Charger. He might be putting it on some 6s. I'm not sure yet, but I'm reacting to all of those because, man, it's hard not to like anything that CJ buy or give away.
Let me tell you something.
It's just hard for me not to like, because his style of car customization really rock with my style of cars that I like. So I'm just being honest with you. So we're going to get right into it, man. I think he's starting out with this TRACKHAWK. Then we're going to get into the two TRXs. And if I think the EV charger is on this video. If not, we're going to react to that too if it's on here. And then you know he just put 30s on a 2025 Cadillac Escalade.
Sensational.
Boy got that bag. That's all I can say. But yeah, man, let's get into the move. Oh, hold up. Did y'all like, share, and subscribe to the channel? Because a lot of y'all watching my videos, but you ain't subscribed to the channel. You watch my shorts, but you ain't subscribed to the channel. Just come on in, man. It's free 99. You feel me? Okay. Now let's get to the video. Ooh. Whole lot of pressure right there.
All right.
Whole lot of pressure.
Y'all already know what's about to happen.
A whole lot of pressure.
Bar down still.
Okay, I had to go back for this. Excuse the technical difficulties we had right there, but I had to go back for this because when he go out this door, it's a whole lot of pressure sitting outside this door. A whole lot of pressure, a whole lot of bands sitting outside this door. Probably about 280,000 is what I'm speculating. That right there, that says it all together. You got the TRACKHAWK sitting on 26s. Those are probably like polished. I don't know if that's polished. I forgot what the name they call stainless, polished. And then you got the white TRX sitting on black 30s with the white barrels. And then you got the color match TRX sitting with the 30s on it. And I think those are stainless too, with the big floating caps on the stainless ones. And then I don't think the caps on the white ones are floating caps. Now I think the caps are floating caps on the TRACKHAWK. And I think both of the TRX has been modified. So whoever getting these things, man, you got some nice toys. And you can see, okay, the white TRX got the stationary steps. And then if you look at the picture, the color matte silver TRX got the power running boards. So that's one of my favorite accessories, man, the power running board. When I open the door, drop down for your boy. You feel me?
All right. Y'all already know what's about to happen, what's about to start. Why the hell is that bar down still?
That door probably open on the passenger side. No, it's probably open right there.
Right here. This one got the green pulleys, upper and lower. Got some more modifications done. 26s.
Now I know people be putting the kits on the TRACKHAWK, but even if you don't put the kit on your TRACKHAWK, the body lines and the body is banging from the factory. It really don't need a kit. You can do the kit, but it don't have to have one.
Big 30.
I think it's got lowering springs on it too.
Big Whipple. This one got a crazy intake. The mods, the exhaust on this, everything on this one just sounds so damn good. Super good. Let me get these keys with the 75.
Look like that back door open. That's probably why that step is open. step is down.
Check out the charger. Let them check out that EV.
Y'all see that Alcantara on the steering wheel? Nice. And then everything's blacked out. The Dodge logo, the Ram logo on the steering wheel is blacked out. So if I'm not mistaken, that's got to be a 2021 because my Ram badge is, oh, I don't know if it's chrome. I can't remember what mine is. But anyway, I know they didn't come out with all the black badging. Like if you got the night package, it's black badging. But as far as like the Ram head and stuff on the inside, I think that was like 2021, 2022, if I'm not mistaken. Carbon fiber on the steering wheel?
I just got off the phone. It's like 7 minutes long.
Oh, because Will want to leave shit.
But I told him I don't need it right now.
Alcantara on the console.
Oh my God, bro.
I told him before he left.
Y'all got to know Will the cameraman. Will ain't never got all this stuff. Shout out to Will. Cause he be shooting some fire content for CJ. I mean, boy do great work, but he ain't never got all this stuff. He does great work though. Gotta give him his props.
Help everybody get in fight.
I gotta back up just a little bit. That shot right there, that's a hell of a lineup, man. I like the black badging. Got the black badging all around this color match TRX. That back, I can tell that back door is open too. That's the reason that step hadn't went up. If you look at that back door, it's barely shut. That's the reason that step hadn't went back up. So I'm kind of used to that. I know about that. I like, now if I had to pick one, I love the wheels on the white TRX. I really do. But I like the floating caps on the one that's on the silver one. So if I had to pick one, I'm probably going with the silver truck because the color match. Or either the TRACKHAWK. Either of those two would be great for me. I'd like them too. Man, it's a hell of a walk up right there though. Yep, there you go.
I'm waiting on them to pull up. I gotta get my driving footage. I gotta go by the airport. Go to the airport?
No, I said that was trying to help. Well, you going to the airport?
Yeah, I just want to get the driving footage going to the airport. You want to drive?
See that step one more time, guys. Let's see that step one more time. I'll be on that type of time.
I'm waiting on them to pull up. I gotta get my driving footage.
That's nasty. That's worth what they cost. $1,500, $2,000. It's worth.
No, I said that was trying to help. Well, you going to the airport?
Yeah, I just want to get the driving footage going to the airport.
That silver on silver color match is just clean. It's just clean, bruh. That's just super clean.
Oh yeah. Al was gonna come, but that motherfucker over there too busy messing up my dually wheels. Get in traffic, guys. If you won, which one would you take?
Now, guys, next, I'm finna show you a little. CJ always do a little rolling footage of the vehicle, so I want to see him cutting through traffic. I know y'all will probably like that too. Let's get right to it.
Get in traffic, my boy. It's time. Knock this driving out. I got Juan and Jessica. Let's get to work. All right, guys, it's Drill Sergeant Jones right now. Y'all know I've been on go mode and I ain't been playing no games, so we're about to get in traffic. Y'all enjoy the driving footage. I gotta make sure everybody lined up and stick together.
I see that cap is spinning on that silver truck. I thought those were floating caps, so maybe I was wrong. You hear the exhaust? I bet you the exhaust probably on that TRACKHAWK. That's what that sounds like.
Jessica in the building. Big Jessica. Got a computer bag? Guys, Will is just always. Oh, okay.
Ooh. That would sound pretty good, man. There's something about those lights on that hood too. I like those 3 right there in that breather. Okay, those are floating caps. The one on the front wheel is just spinning. I don't know. You know, it might have to be recalibrated or something. Because the back one is floating. That boy will be working, man. Hanging out the vehicle, shooting that footage. Look at the mother freaking wheels. I like the color on the TRACKHAWK too. It's not that black or white. Those are some nice color, but that sort of blue with that gray dropped in it, nasty. Man, I'm telling you, see how much living they doing with all that snow up there? If it snowed a little bit like that where I stay, we shutting the whole town down.
Trash!
These boys are out shooting footage of CJ giveaway vehicles in the snow, in the ice, and all that. It's just different in between here and Joliet, Illinois.
I know Juan don't like to hit cars. He don't like to hit the gas. Juan don't like to hear that whine. Hear that whine, dang.
I hear a lot of motor up on these hoods. See if we can catch a little more wheel.
There we go.
Get in that thing, man.
Yeah.
That silver is the baddest one, dog. I'm telling you. Hands down, that whole nasty. Nasty, nasty. I really don't care for the gray motor because it gets ashy after a while, but that, like if I win it, okay, cool, I'm running with it. But if I had to choose, I'm going with the silver. Gotta give CJ a shout out because that driving footage be lit. It takes you back to being little kids, loving how vehicles look when they go past you and all that. So that's a good thing that he always put in a lot of his videos, especially with any car he buy. Damn, that TRACKHAWK look fast on them 6s. I ain't lying. Dual exhaust on each side, got the wing up top. I know TRX is supposed to be like 1,000 horsepower, but I don't know if they can keep up with that TRACKHAWK. Well, look, guys, I ain't gonna hold you. I wanted to get on here and show you a few of those giveaway cars. I want to react to them because I think this lineup is nice, as always. The CAs didn't really get me like that, but I might react to them too. You never know. So in the next reaction video, we're gonna do the EV versus the wide body. So the EV Charger is supposed to be wide body. So we're gonna do it up against a Scat Pack wide body. And CJ owns both of them. So that's going to be in the next video if I don't change my mind. But like I said, I'm not going to hold y'all. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I appreciate you guys coming by, showing love, rocking out with me. As always, can't do it without you guys. I love dropping videos for you. So yeah, man, we're going to catch y'all in the next one. It's your boy KJ hollering out. Peace.